Full in-depth curly hair routine for fine. 3A, 3B, 3C hair. Yo, look at that. Hey guys, what it do and what it does is your favorite curly girl, Sydney here. I missed y'all. Today we have a curly hair for fine 3A, 3B, and 3C hair. I thought I'd start you guys off with what the end result is gonna look like, just so that you know what you're getting yourself into. Let's rewind it a little bit. Let's go back 2 steps. I washed my hair today. Yesterday in the morning, I put on a mask. Put the mask on dry hair, put it up in a bun, went my whole day. This morning, washed my hair. Now the day before that, and every day for like the past 3 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks, I have been using this srry. Let me tell you something about this. This is rosemary water. This has been making my hair grow. I'm here to let you know that it is true, it is real. This is a real thing. Rosemary, I also haven't been shedding as much, and I think that that's because I'm like moisturizing my hair with the mask. So there's that. Those are my 2 new things. I have new products in this video and a new technique, so everything is actually new in this video. My hair's been getting longer, it feels fuller, I'm not shedding as much, and my washes are lasting me much longer. Step number 1, rosemary water every night before bed. Every night before bed, this is what I'm doing. When I get out the shower and I'm about to put my bonnet on, this is what I put in my hair. The day before a wash, I put on a mask, go about my day. Next day, boom, wash my hair. I still mask my hair in the shower, you guys will see that. But yeah, roll the clip. I miss you guys so much. I will be back, I promise. I'm gonna be here. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go. Ma, can you turn on the fan in here? Thank you. Amy mother, obsessed with me. Thanks for the hours. If you're still watching, I'm gonna try this next week. As you can see, it's literally not been open. I'm very excited because thank God it's natural. I'm gonna go in with the As I Am Classic Leave-In Conditioner. It's this one. Lately I've been liking to separate my hair. I'm gonna take the As I Am Restore and Repair. Not that my hair needs any kind of like really restoring. I just like how thick this is, but it doesn't really weigh my hair down. So I'm gonna use that much. Put it for both sides. I feel like it's thick enough so that throughout the week, my hair has like enough moisture in it, but also it's still defined because it has hold. It leaves it moisturized, soft feeling, and it leaves it defined. I just picked this up. It's the Rizos Curl Mousse, Curl Defining Mousse. I've used it like 3 or 4 times. I absolutely love it. I just really like the packaging. I love that it's like this color pink. This is my favorite color pink. I use this much. I run it through. I used to use mousse as like the setting property for my hair. Now I like to use gel for that. and I'll show you guys the gel after, but this is a whole different routine that I've been doing that has had my hair lasting me quite some time. I separate the two. It's because of the brush. And I do a little whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. What you want to do is pick it up from the bottom, hold it with your hand here and push. You're like smoothing it. Like that. This is like my super duper defined routine. So a little bit. Then I take a little mousse again. I don't really touch the roots, I just touch the bottom. She takes like a small section like that, and then she smooths it like this. Which I don't know if I'm liking that because it's turning my curls this way. I guess I should go like this, hold on. It's like the people with dead straight hair that iron their hair daily, like use a curling iron daily on their hair, will probably be so good at this. Yeah, like you see this one is not doing what it normally does. This one I like to push up and give it some tension and push it back down. The difference is that I feel like this technique has been helping me curl the root of my hair. Since I do want longer hair, my hair thrives better when it's defined like this versus just like by itself. You know, like this is helping it actually curl from the top instead of just like the bottom strands. You see? Look how pretty. I wore a different color show so y'all could see my hair. But I don't know, I feel like my hair might be too dark. This piece right here is like my forgotten piece. I always, not that I forget it, but it just looks like I forgot it. So then when I go like this, it has a lot of volume. I usually go between these two gels. I think I'm gonna go in with this one today. This is the Rizos Curl Light Hold Gel. It has aloe, flaxseed, and thyme. I think I'm gonna go in with this one just because I might be washing my hair on Friday and today is Monday. So I don't really need that much like of a hold. This one gives me like a much thicker hold. This one is much more softer. With my hair, I smooth, I smooth, I smooth, I smooth, smooth. And then I scrunch the bottom part. You see how defined it looks already? If you don't hear that much in your hair, it's gonna look cute. I miss doing these actually. I like to leave it towards the back so that when I flip it back to the front, it's like, whew. Anyways, in 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe, once like it sets in, then we'll diffuse and I'll show you how I diffuse. It's been 10 minutes, or actually 22 minutes. You hear that? Sounds like heavy. That's good. I haven't really been a diffuser girl, but this technique I like. So with my futuristic blow dryer that has 2 settings, I like to use it on the medium one. Okay, I use it on the medium. There's only literally like, it only changes speed. It doesn't matter how hot it gets. So I just turn it off, let it cool down, and then use it again. Anyways, Dyson, if you're watching this, or anybody that has a blow dryer that wants to send me one, please let me know. The Rizos Curl Diffuser. I got this a really long time ago and I never opened the box just because it was sitting there and I thought I had it like there as decoration, but then I realized it was a diffuser and I was like, oh, maybe I should try that. So The mouth to this is a little bit thick, so I had to use it in their second mode, which is like you tuck it in and then you push this in, which is whatever, it's fine. I like that it's not too deep because I saw a video that really helped explain like what I had thought and why I don't like diffusing. When you cup your hair too much, things start like your hair starts going like this. So really this part in the bottom is the only one that's like getting nice and thick and juicy, and then the other ones just look like that, like straggly. So with this one, you really have to lay the hair inside of it, like in a circle like that, so that it could dry correctly, you know? Or you can do the other method that I like, which is the hovering method. I saw Main's by Mel. I think she was the one that like taught me that. I don't know. You go like this, mostly focusing on the roots because obviously this part is almost dry. Like on my hair, this part is almost dry. Well, it's not really dry. It's like damp. It's not dry. Anyways, you don't want to put too much heat on this because then that's how you burn your ends, whatever. So when this is a little bit hot already and like ready to go, then you can cup and do. So let me just demonstrate. Okay, I'm not nowhere near done, but what I want to show you guys is if you want your hair to have a lot of definition and volume, start cupping your hair now. If you want your hair to have like length and just look extremely defined, just keep hovering over it. You don't want to cup. Cupping it is not, it's gonna push it up, shrink it, and make it like expand, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to, well, yeah, I have like 5-10 more minutes just for the front area. I'm gonna start cupping just a little bit, and yeah, but you guys can see already like this part of my hair is like starting to look like ringlets, and that's just from it being like that. I don't have to cup it, but I'll show you how it looks when I cup. Okay, I'm not anywhere near, like that was just an example. It will literally stay up here if I keep doing that. I don't like my hair when it's super short, so I don't cup too much. All right, I mean, my hair is done. It doesn't really take that long to diffuse my hair. I've been recording for 12 minutes. I don't know how long I was talking for it each time, so there's that. Next I go in with an oil, and I did want to show you guys this. So I got this like 4 years ago, I'm not even lying, like 4 years ago in a BoxyCharm. It's the wave spray. This is like a hairspray, but like for waves. It has like sea salt in it. This is really good if like, let's say you washed your hair and you're really gonna use it just for today, and like you want like big volume, curly, thick, like juicy curls, use this. That's the secret. Okay, that really is the secret. As my hair is like cooling down, whatever, I go in with one of these. Normally I just go in with this one, but I just remember that I had this one. I'm just gonna go in with this one because I like the consistency in it. I feel like the problem with some oils is that they leave my hair straggly, and I don't like that. I like a thick, clumpier look. That's why you guys never see me separate my curls, because I like a thicker, clumpy look. And this one doesn't leave my hair straggly. I feel like this one does. Anyways, I only usually use this when I have a mask in my hair. I actually saw a girl the other day. She had just finished washing her hair. She was gonna like do her whole routine and everything, and she put oil like before her leaving. I was like, how is anything supposed to get in there? You could tell a lot about a person's hair blow dried. If a person has blow dried hair and it looks like dry, that's the products that they're using. Like, it's not just moisture, it's like the fact that you're putting so much oil in your hair, you're not allowing anything to get in your hair. You know what I mean? So I like to put the oil in my hands, I take it, and I go like this. That's why this is my last step. I go like this, okay? And I already have my products in it. Now this is just sealing everything, like closing it. Anyways, you can see that there's no frizz in my hair. My favorite, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See, my hair doesn't look straggly. You see this, girl? I like them like this. People be like, oh, separate your curls if you want more volume. I don't want volume, I want cute defined hair. But this just makes it seem like I have more hair than what I do. See that? Versus this cute clump. Oh my god, I have been a flip kind of girly these days. I can't wait to show you guys this video. Oh my god. That's my hair. How I go to sleep, I have my cute little bonnet. Sometimes I'll put it up in a pineapple, sometimes I won't. And I just tuck it in there and that's it. That's the end of that. Oh my god, I love it. I love this curly hair routine this week. Let's go. Well, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you like, what you didn't, any questions you guys have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl because I miss y'all. And I'll see you and you in the back soon. I'm gonna go do my nails now because